Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make buttons in ActionScript 2. So, create new ActionScript 2. Make sure it's ActionScript 2, and if it's in 3, it will not work. So, first, let's just get an oval. And it doesn't matter the color, shape, whatever. Just make it, okay? So, you got your circle. Oh, just delete that. So, you make it, you hit F8, you have to have it highlighted, and nothing else, just have it highlighted and hit F8, just name it button 1. Make sure that your type is a button. It has to be a button, or it will not work. Then you hit OK. So, got your button. Go over here, make new layer. This is going to be where, when you click the button, where it goes. Let's just right click on frame 5, insert keyframe. Okay, so button's gone because you don't have a keyframe on the 5th one. So let's say when you click the button, you go to this page, and let's just have it say yay. Okay, so but first you want to click on the frame, the first frame right here, and right click it and go to actions, and then you just type this in so it stops, so it doesn't like go past the frame. Like when it hits the frame, it just stops, so it'll just stop on the first frame. And then also here you do the same thing, actions, stop, bam, like that. So Control, test movie. You click it, doesn't do anything, but it doesn't move on because you have to stop. And then, so now click on your button, and then you hit F9. Or if you don't want to hit F9, go to Window, and you go down to Actions, which is F9 is right there. So now the code is pretty simple, pretty easy to memorize. And it doesn't matter if you don't memorize it, because it's right here. Go to and play, and this is where it's up to you whatever you name it. So I'm just going to name mine Next for now, and then you just close it with that. So that's that. And now click on the 5th frame, and your properties window. If you don't see this window properties, make sure it's checked, and it'll pop up somewhere, and I don't know what it'll pop up for you, but mine's on classic. And you have this window right here. Click on this frame, make sure this is highlighted, type the name in. Since I put Next in the coding, you have to name it Next. You don't have to, but that's what I named it. So that's named Next. And the coding, F9, go to and play Next. And since it goes to and plays that, and this has stop, it stops right there. So it should, when you test the movie, you click it, and it'll go to that. And that's how you make a simple button. Also, if you want to go back to it, you can make another, like, you have to name this frame number 1, you have to name that something. Let's name it title. And this, so we don't have to make another button, just copy and paste. But since we copied and pasting it, the code, it'll still say Next. So when you click on it, it'll just stay here. So you want it to go to and play. Since you named your thing title, you have to put title in here, because that's the name of the frame and that's what you want it to go to. So Control, test movie, click it, yay, go back. So, but this is just an example. You can use it for many things, like, I don't know, title screen, facts. It's whatever you want to do. If you want to go back to the beginning of your Flash to replay an animation that you did, or you can just get creative with it. But that's how you make a button, or at least that's how I do it.